Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge 39. In this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to give you a hands-on experience on coding to improve your skills in coding. So this is Weekend Dev Challenge 39 and let's see the first project. So the first project is basically IT Helpdesk Ticket Resolver project. So basically in this, all these IT companies, how they work is if they have any issue, then then they raise a ticket. So then the ticket needs to be resolved within certain time. Then once it is resolved, then it is put back as resolved and then we go to the next ticket. So this is how it works. There is one separate team that is focusing only on the resolving ticket. So that is basically what we're doing in this project. So let's get started. First, we have the ticket status.java. So in this, we have two status of the tickets. One is ticket is open. One more is it is resolved. The product is open. I mean, the whatever the problem is there, it is open, and one more it is resolved. Then we have application properties. So in this, basically, first we have the H2 database. So this is a built-in H2 database which we are using. After that, we have the credentials for the users to log in for H2, and then followed by the Spring security credentials, which is name and password. And then we have the we are enabling the console of the H2 basically. So the console is now enabled. After that, we have allow others is true. So basically, others from the same network can also access the same H2 console. After that, we have one more create drop where tables are created when the application is started and table is deleted when the application is ended. Then we have the show SQL queries is true in the console. Then we have ticket.java. So in this, basically in this ticket, we have certain constructors. That is basically one is public constructor ticket which has created at and status. What time was the ticket created and what is the status of the ticket right now. After that, we have a parameterized constructor for again ticket which has input title, description and employee name who raised the ticket. After that, we have the getters and setters. That is basically get ID, set ID, get title, set title, get description, set description, get employee name, set employee name, and get status of the ticket, set the status of the ticket, and then get created at what time was it created, and then we can modify the created at using set created at. After that, we have ticket repository.java. So in this, we have two lists. One is find all by order of the created at this descending order, and then find status of by status order of created at descending order again. So then basically first is find all the tickets, then it is by status, find by status. Then we have invalid ticket state exception. So in this, basically we have an invalid ticket. When the ticket is not valid, then we raise an exception. So that is for this part. And then ticket controller. This is the main brain of the program. First is basically we have the constructor injection to connect with the database, that repository. Then after that, we have all tickets. First is basically fetch all tickets. So that for that we are using find all by order by created at descending order. All this thing is mentioned. That is the query we are using. After that, we have fetch only open tickets. So here status we have to mention find by all order. Here it is find all by order. Here find by status order by created at descending. We have the open. And then we have to create new ticket. So in this, we are just using save for we save the new ticket to the repository. Then we have resolve ticket. This is the main this thing. So here we basically take the find the ticket by ID. We check if that particular ticket is existing. We search for the ticket ID. If it is existing, we check if it is existing. Then if it is existing, then we get all the information of that particular ticket. And then if the status is already resolved, if the status of the ticket is already resolved, then we say the ticket is already resolved and cannot be closed again. Then we exit the program. If it is not resolved, then we mark the status as resolved. And then we have to update the new status of the ticket and then save it. After that, we have to we have to we have to save it in the repository saying the updated ticket. If it is not existing, then we say the ticket is not found. After that, we have security config, which we won't see. Yeah, that's it, I think, in this program. Let me run the program. The Spring Boot backend should start. So it's asking for username and password. I'll click admin and admin123. Sign in. Yeah, so now I am able to access it. We have all the because we had clicked on show console, the console is here. And now we have all tickets and only open tickets only. Let's wait for the Spring Boot to start so then we can raise new tickets and all. So the issue details is raised by employee Anuj Kumar with ID 3, need an IDEA Ultimate license for the new project. He needs a license. So for that, we have to, the status is currently open. We have to click on resolve and then it will get resolved. So you can see it is now resolved. Then I click on new ticket. I'll enter employee name title is, I click on broken mouse itself, and then my mouse is broken. I just click on this one. Yeah, so these are the three. I have to resolve, this one as well. I'll click on resolve. It will be resolved. Again, resolve. I can raise new tickets as well. Broken mouse. My mouse is now working and is broken. So my ticket. So yeah, you can see it comes in descending order of the creation. Now if I create a new ticket, then this goes down and this comes first. This is the employee ID, and then we have the all the details, and I click on resolve, and it will be resolved. So let us get back to the code. So let me submit the program. So that is CodeChef passed, and that's it for this video. Also next video. Thank you.